Hey everybody, what's up? I'm Mason the Mason. In this video I'm going to show you how we lay some pavers. So some people lay them in like I don't know what do you call it, cracker dust base, and compact it, but that does only last about 3 years with the frost and thaw of Pennsylvania. So this is Frank's job. He poured all this concrete, built that flower bed, all that good stuff, these sidewalks, and now he's putting pavers on it. So helping him out today. We did like half of this patio, and now we're going that way. And so basically we got to have your concrete super smooth, right? She did a good job with that. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Then you see we got them laid out right there and stocked up in the back. So what I'm doing is taking the pattern here. So there's 9 rows, and you gotta make sure that we're keeping them straight and everything. So I'm laying them out right here. Frank's gluing and setting and figuring out how to start them over here. And that's pretty much it. When you lay these things, you just glue them, set them down, and then we got this spot open. We're doing the cuts last because we're trying to get the most of it done right now. So we'll come back and do that. And then also you got a border. A lot of people want borders, but you would go there and border it all around. So there's a lot of dust all over these things, so you got to make sure where you're gluing them down is clean. Also, the reason we're not just running it on the ground right there is because the paver man said if you do that like dot thing we got going on there, it squishes out and sticks better than if you just pour it all over the ground. So that's why we're doing that. So we have to put a border on this, right? And normally people want to put the border on first and then have to measure every cut and cut them into that, but it's easier to run them out like this. And you can see we got them marked out, and we're going to cut that off, and then you can just put the border right up into it, just like we did over here, and it looks all nice like that. And it probably takes like half of the amount of time. So that's what it looks like right there on the edge of the border I was talking about. And this is all I'm doing here today. I got concrete coming tomorrow, but help Frank out today. And yeah, we got quite a bit done, so it turned out nice. So you just got to finish that side and these sidewalks, and he's all done. But the only other thing you do after that is put gator sand in there, and I can't really show you how to do that because I'm not going to be here. But yeah, so if you got any questions about what to do with pavers or how to lay them, whatever you need, I'll try to do my best to answer you. And thanks for watching.